Hello guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna show you guys how we can change this faucet cartridge. Inside here inside. So first things first, you need to close the hot water and cold water underneath the faucet. That's the first thing you need to do. After that, what you're gonna do, you will know what kind of tool you're gonna use. This is the hole that we're gonna use it. Let me close the water first. Yeah, I close the water and then open like all the way. So what you're gonna do, there is a as you see, there is small plastic or rubber that you have to push in like this tool. I'm gonna use the Allen wrench. The other name is hex. So sorry, that just push in. Okay, as you see, this is you're pushing in, and after that, sorry, hold on. So here you are. Okay, this is the way. You just pull inside that plastic one, sideway. As you see, you just pull. You're gonna pull this one. Okay. Sorry. Okay, guys. So just use this screwdriver and push it here. Okay. All right. Now, let's see. Okay, this is the one. Just pulling, and then use this wrench and take it out. This. This is it. See, this is the way it is. Then just take it out like this and pull it. This is the one. As you see, you get the new one and put it back into it. Exactly the same way. And this is the same way. Tight it. Not too much. Nicely tight. Not too much, just a little bit, tight it. That's it, and bring it this same way, just put it as like this, and you hear the click, right? Then bring this one. This is the screw, you're gonna tie it from this hole. And bring it in, exactly center this into here. Okay. Bring the tool, turn. Okay, this part, it's a little challenge, but it's not hard. Just you have to find the screw. Okay, this is all right. Just bring. I hope it's right place. Yeah, little challenge. Okay, hold on. 30-second break. This is the hand. This goes here. That's it. But when you push this, little hard time. You're getting hard time. Exactly now. Tight. Yeah, I tied it, but not too much again, as you see. Now put this. Well, when we started the video, I pushed it in, right? This is the one. Just put it back to here. That hole is closed. Exactly. Do you see? See? Exactly, right there. Okay. What happened? Now this is the way you can change the kitchen faucet cartridge. So I can open it, the water, close there first. See, as you see, it's working. I mean, it was working, but I just show you how you can change the cartridge. And so if something happens, then you can change the cartridge as I show you guys. All right, thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Thank you. Bye bye.